Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merge close-up tube bottle. Ito po sila. Meron tayong close-up antibacterial 55% off twin pack.
Requesting 1DS personnel number 8 please. 1DS personnel number 8 please.
Unilever po yan. Nasa 2 times 175 grams. Next, meron din tayong close-up Everfresh 12 hours fresh breath 145 ml red hot. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga malls grocery stores. Kahit sa mga tindahan. Next, meron din tayong close-up Everfresh gel toothpaste antibacterial mouthwash 145 ml 12 hour fresh breath menthol fresh. Antibacterial mouthwash plus microshine crystal amazing fresh breath plus white teeth. Unilever po yan. Ginawa ko itong video na to para alam nyo kung ano-ano mga iba't ibang uri ng Unilever company merge para bumili kayo sa mga grocery stores, mga malls grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong close-up Everfresh gel toothpaste antibacterial mouthwash 95 ml red hot up to 12 hours fresh breath. Fill the antibacterial mouthwash plus microshine crystal amazingly fresh breath plus white teeth. Get every fresh intense freshness intense closeness. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong close-up Value Twin Pack Coleman 2 times 191 grams anti-cavity antibacterial cleansing crystal gel all around fresh. Cleans deeply, lips, plaque, combines cavities, fight germs, refresh mouth. Close up Coleman 2 times 191 grams all around fresh. Cleans deeply, lip plaques, combats cavities, fight germs, and fresh mouth. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong close-up red hot 50 ml Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong close-up red hot 25 ml Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong close up. Available po siya sa 50 ml. Menthol Fresh. Next, meron din tayong close up Everfresh Dill Toothpaste. Available for 25 ml. Up to 12 hours fresh breath. Menthol Fresh. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Pepsodent toothpaste for healthy and natural white teeth. 190 grams. Value twin pack. Save up to 55% off on 2 tubes versus other Unilever toothpaste SRP. Whitening with perlite within 2 weeks. Unilever po yan.
Butang man, karon lang nimo ka. May patambayaran, please.
Oh, that's it for today's Unilever Company Merge videos. Close up, Chew Battle, and Pepsodent. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company Merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all always. Thank you for watching.